Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the incredible features and benefits of ChatGPT after connecting to the internet. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's state-of-the-art GPT 3.5 architecture, is an amazing tool that can revolutionize the way we interact with AI. With an internet connection, ChatGPT becomes even more powerful, allowing us to access a vast amount of knowledge and information. So, let's get started. First best use after connecting internet is summary of news. One of the fantastic use cases of ChatGPT with an internet connection is to get summaries of news articles. By simply providing the URL or a brief description of the news article, ChatGPT can analyze the content and generate concise and accurate summaries. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying updated on current events, saving time by quickly digesting news, and getting a broader perspective on various topics. The second best use after connecting internet is detecting trends for e-commerce. E-commerce businesses thrive on identifying and capitalizing on trends. With ChatGPT and an internet connection, you can harness the power of AI to detect emerging trends in your industry. By analyzing online discussions, social media posts, and other relevant sources, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights and predictions. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimize your product offerings, and stay ahead of the competition. The third best use after connecting internet is academic research. As a student or researcher, having access to vast amounts of information is crucial. With an internet connection, ChatGPT becomes an indispensable research assistant. You can ask specific questions, request literature reviews, or even brainstorm ideas with ChatGPT. It can provide relevant sources, summarize research papers, and assist you in exploring new avenues for your academic pursuits. The fourth best use after connecting internet is improve your productivity. ChatGPT's connectivity to the internet enhances its ability to help you boost productivity. With access to various tools, databases, and resources, ChatGPT can assist with tasks like writing, brainstorming, scheduling, and more. It can suggest relevant research papers, provide examples and templates for various documents, and even help manage your to-do lists. With ChatGPT as your AI companion, you can streamline your workflow and accomplish tasks more efficiently. The fifth best use after connecting internet is stock market analyst. With an internet connection, ChatGPT becomes an indispensable asset for stock market analysis. By leveraging real-time data and market insights, ChatGPT can provide valuable predictions, trend analysis, and personalized investment recommendations. By analyzing historical patterns, financial news, and company reports, ChatGPT can help you make informed decisions and stay ahead in the dynamic world of stock markets. The sixth best use after connecting internet is explaining a complex event. Complex events, such as scientific breakthroughs, political developments, or technological advancements, often require a deep understanding to explain concisely. ChatGPT, with access to the internet, can gather information, dive into relevant sources, and provide comprehensive explanations of complex events. It can break down intricate concepts into digestible explanations, making them more accessible to a broader audience. The seventh best use after connecting internet is coding the latest documentation. Keeping up with the latest coding documentation can be a challenge, as technology evolves rapidly. With an internet connection, ChatGPT becomes an exceptional coding assistant. It can access up-to-date documentation, provide code snippets, suggest best practices, and help troubleshoot coding issues. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, ChatGPT can enhance your coding experience and help you become more proficient. The eighth best use after connecting internet is writing an updated essay. Writing essays, whether for academics or professional purposes, often requires extensive research and accurate information. ChatGPT, connected to the internet, can assist you in this process. It can gather relevant sources, suggest structure and key points, and help you weave a cohesive and well-informed narrative. By leveraging the vast knowledge available on the internet, ChatGPT becomes an invaluable writing companion. In conclusion, ChatGPT's integration with the internet offers a multitude of benefits across various domains. From stock market analysis to explaining complex events, coding assistance, and essay writing, ChatGPT becomes an all-encompassing tool. By tapping into real-time data, diverse sources, and up-to-date information, ChatGPT empowers you with accurate insights and enhances your productivity in these tasks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Until next time, happy analyzing, explaining, coding, and writing with ChatGPT and the internet.